everyone, and welcome to Watch and Win, the show made just for kids.
This summer, we're not just watching, we're becoming special agents.
That's right, we'll be going on exciting adventures,
Solving clues,
playing awesome games,
and earning mission badges along the way.
Are you ready to become
A Watch and Win agent?
I don't think we heard you.
Let's try that again. Future agents, are you ready?
That's more like it.
Watch and Win starts now. Pat a cake baker's van. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and roll it and mark it with a V. And put it in the oven for Bailey and me. Today's mission, we will be learning about Jamaica's culture
Learn some history.
and discover some icons along the way.
Also, when you complete today's mission, you earn your very own Watch and Win Culture Icon Badge.
I am ready for today's mission. But first, what is culture?
Have you ever wondered what makes Jamaica Jamaica? Is it the food, the music, reggae beat, the language, wagwan, the stories our grandparents tell, or our athletes who make us proud? The answer is all of them. Culture is the special way people live. It's our food, music, dance, language, games, traditions, heroes. Every country has its own culture, and ours is famous all over the world. Now here's Lauren with some cultural news.
One of Jamaica's reggae kings was born on February 6, 1945 in St. Anne, Jamaica, and is known worldwide for his songs One Love, Redemption Song, and many more. He believed in unity and spreading peace among the nation.
I'll stay on this island, surrounded by love.
Another icon we all know and love is Usain Bolt. Bolt burst onto the global stage at the 2008 Beijing Olympic Games. He became the first man to win gold in the 100-meter, 200-meter, and 4x1-meter relay in a single Olympic, setting the world records in all three events. He solidified his legacy at the 2012 London Games and 2016 Rio Games, sweeping the sprint events in 3 consecutive Olympics to achieve the historic triple-triple.
Miss Louise Bennett Coverley, affectionately called Miss Lou, was a legendary Jamaican poet and educator. Born in Kingston, she was an advocate for patois and the arts.
Welcome to Kids News Central, where the biggest stories are made just for you. I'm your host, Lauren. Let's check out today's top stories. This year, we celebrate 64 years of independence. There's lots to look forward to at Grand Gala, including the drone show and something special from the women in the JDF. The drone show will have images that represent our culture, and it's always fun to see what images they're going to display. I wonder if Miss Lou will be in it. By the way, this will be the last Grand Gala in this stadium. The next time we celebrate, it will be in the brand new National Stadium. Dee Burns is the 2026 Festival Song winner. His song, I Love Jamaica, took the top spot over 8 other incredible songs. The judges said that the song had the spirit and the celebration of independence, and the lyrics were relevant. The official song for this year's independence celebrations. Congrats, D Burns. 18-year-old Alyssa James is preparing to compete in the US Open Junior Tennis Championships this September. Alyssa says her dream is to play in professional tournaments around the world and one day compete in all 4 Grand Slam events. She has been playing tennis since she was just 3 years old and says the sport has given her amazing opportunities. The US Open Junior Championships begin on September 6th, and we will be cheering Alyssa on every step of the way. That's it for the news. I'm Lauren. See you next time.